Welcome to Eco Wellness Journeys. In today's fast-paced world, it can be all too easy to lose our connection to the awe-inspiring natural world that surrounds us. Yet, the need to connect with nature spiritually has never been more vital. Today, we embark on a journey into eco-spirituality, a practice that blends the sacred with the ecological, helping us rediscover the profound beauty and interconnectedness of life. As we explore this path, we'll discover how eco-spirituality can nourish our minds, uplift our spirits, and guide us towards sustainable living. The roots of eco-spirituality run deep, grounded in the ancient traditions of indigenous cultures worldwide. These cultures have long understood that nature connection is not just a backdrop for human life, but a living, breathing relationship, a partnership with the earth. Let's consider for a moment the wisdom of Native American tribes, Australian Aboriginal communities, or the indigenous peoples of the Amazon, who see every tree, river, and mountain as a sacred being deserving of respect and care. For millennia, these communities have maintained a harmonious relationship with nature through rituals and ceremonies that honor the spirits of the land. The concept of animism, where every element of nature is believed to have a spirit, is a common thread among these traditions. This deep reverence for the natural world has allowed them to live sustainably, in balance with the earth, nurturing a profound sense of eco-spirituality central to their identity. As we face the environmental challenges of our time, from deforestation to climate change, many are returning to these ancient practices, seeking to revive and integrate them into modern life. Eco-spirituality offers us a path forward, one that is both sustainable and spiritually fulfilling as we reconnect with nature and our place within the natural world. At its heart, eco-spirituality is about recognizing the deep connection between spirituality and ecology. It's not just a metaphorical link. It's a relationship that science supports. Picture yourself walking through a forest, your senses alive to the scent of pine, the sound of rustling leaves, the feel of the cool earth underfoot. This is forest bathing, a practice known in Japan as shinrin-yoku, which invites us to fully immerse ourselves in the natural world. Studies have shown that spending time in nature in this way can lower stress, reduce anxiety, and even boost our immune systems. But eco-spirituality goes beyond the personal benefits. It invites us to see the earth not as a resource to be used, but as a sacred partner in our spiritual journey. This is the essence of spiritual ecology, the understanding that by nurturing our connection to nature, we also nurture our souls. Every action we take, every step we make on this earth, impacts the broader ecological system. Eco-spirituality calls us to live with intention, to be stewards of the planet, recognizing that our spiritual practices can and should contribute to the health and well-being of the earth. Eco-spirituality is not just a concept. It's a practice, one that we can cultivate through daily actions that deepen our connection to the natural world. Imagine standing barefoot on the earth, feeling the cool grass between your toes and the sun's warmth on your skin. This is earth grounding, a simple yet powerful way to reconnect with the earth's energy. Research has shown that direct contact with the ground can reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and find a sense of calm and centeredness in our busy lives. Forest bathing, another practice we mentioned earlier, encourages us to slow down and fully engage our senses in the forest. The benefits are profound: a sense of peace, clarity, and a deepened connection to the earth. For those drawn to the rhythms of the cosmos, moonlit rituals offer a way to connect with the lunar cycles, aligning our spiritual practices with the phases of the moon. Whether through meditation, intention setting, or simply gazing at the moon, these rituals help us harmonize our energies with the natural world. But eco-spirituality also calls us to action in our daily lives. Mindful consumption is one such practice, making conscious choices about the products we use, ensuring they are sustainable and ethically produced. By aligning our material choices with our spiritual values, we reduce our environmental footprint and live more harmoniously with the earth. Finally, consider volunteering for nature conservation. Whether planting trees, cleaning up beaches, or restoring habitats, volunteering connects us with the earth and with others who share our commitment to protecting the planet. These actions not only benefit the environment, but also deepen our connection to nature, fostering a sense of stewardship and gratitude for the natural world. While eco-spirituality offers a path to deeper connection and environmental stewardship, it's important to recognize its challenges. One concern is the potential for eco-spirituality to be commodified, turned into just another consumer trend rather than a meaningful spiritual practice. When this happens, the depth and intention behind eco-spirituality can be lost, reducing it to a series of superficial activities that fail to address the deeper issues of environmental degradation. Another challenge lies in balancing personal spiritual practices with broader environmental activism. While nature meditation practices and mindfulness in nature are essential for our well-being, they must be complemented by actions that contribute to the conservation and sustainability of our planet. Honoring the understanding that healthy people equals a healthy planet, and a healthy planet equals healthy people, we realize that eco-spirituality should not simply be an escape from the world's problems, but a way to engage with them more effectively. Critics also warn against eco-spirituality becoming disconnected from the realities of climate change and environmental justice. Eco-spiritual practices must be informed by an understanding of the global ecological crisis and aligned with efforts to address issues like climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss. This means integrating eco-spirituality with scientific knowledge and activism, ensuring that our spiritual practices contribute to real-world change. As we come to the end of this exploration of eco-spirituality, we hope you found inspiration to connect with nature spiritually in a meaningful way. Eco-spirituality offers us a powerful tool to not only heal ourselves, but also to contribute to the healing of our planet. It invites us to see the earth as a sacred entity, engage in practices that foster our connection to the natural world, and take action to protect and preserve the environment for future generations. We encourage you to begin your eco-spiritual journey today. Whether you're practicing nature meditation, forest bathing, earth grounding, participating in community conservation projects, or simply making more eco-conscious choices in your daily life, each step you take brings you closer to a deeper connection with the earth. Integrating these practices into your life makes you part of a global movement towards spiritual and ecological harmony. We invite you to join us in our eco-wellness journeys. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Let's build a community that supports each other on this path. If you found this video valuable, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Eco Wellness Journeys for more content that explores the beautiful symbiosis between humans and the planet. Remember, a healthy planet means healthy people, and through eco-spirituality, we can achieve both. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, let's nurture our connection to nature and embrace the spiritual path towards a more sustainable and peaceful world.